Hi dear friend, this is our QLQ automatic plastic zipper shining fill sealing machine. This machine is used for sealing the shining fill on the surface of the zipper tip. This machine, the output is about 300 meters per 1 hour. This machine also can be shared by different size of the zipper. Okay, the length is 2.1 meters, the width is 0.75 meters, and the height is 1.75 meters. When the machine is done, the zipper will go through this wheel and go through this oven, and with high temperature to preheat the zipper. This is the shining fill will go down here, and here at this part, it will blend the shining fill and the zipper with the gravity pressure device and the after heating device. And after the fill sealing, the wasted fill and the zipper tip will separate. And then the zipper will go out here. This is the electricity box. And this is the control panel with the PLC and the speech controller and the open and the stop button. It is with easy and convenient operation. Now let's start the machine. Okay, you can see here, the zipper will go through the wheel and go through the oven with high temperature. And then this shining fill will go down, and the fill and the zipper will blend it together. You can see and go through here. The wasted fill will go up, and the zipper will go through the wheel by the pull bell controller. Pull bell wheel, you can see the result. The fill can be filled on the zipper very freely, very beautiful and shining.